Welcome to All Motors brand, your ultimate destination for the latest insights, detailed reviews, and in-depth analysis of all things automotive and motorsports. Whether you're into dirt bikes, cruisers, supercars, or off-road beasts, we've got you covered with expert breakdowns, riding impressions, and performance evaluations to help you stay ahead in the world of motors. Today, we're taking a closer look at the much-anticipated 2025 Honda CRF300L, a dual-sport motorcycle that continues Honda's tradition of blending trail capability with daily riding comfort. The 2025 Honda CRF300L stays true to its lightweight and agile nature, offering a highly versatile experience for both off-road adventurers and urban commuters. Powered by a reliable 286cc single-cylinder engine, this motorcycle delivers smooth and responsive power throughout the rev range. The engine is liquid-cooled and fuel-injected, ensuring consistent performance in a wide range of temperatures and elevations. Riders will appreciate the balance between torque and fuel efficiency, making the CRF300L a perfect companion for longer rides without the constant need for refueling. Honda has retained its 6-speed transmission, which is well geared for both city cruising and trail riding. The gear shifts feel precise, and the clutch action remains light, giving new riders an easier learning curve while still satisfying experienced off-roaders. One noticeable improvement in the 2025 model is the refined throttle response, which is smoother and more predictable, especially during technical sections or low-speed maneuvers. This enhances rider control in challenging terrains. The chassis and suspension on the 2025 CRF300L have seen some slight but meaningful tweaks. With a semi-double cradle steel frame and a long travel suspension system, this bike continues to offer excellent comfort and control over rough trails. The front end sports a 43mm inverted Showa fork, while the rear gets a Pro-Link single shock that's fully adjustable. Ground clearance remains generous, allowing the CRF300L to tackle rocky paths, forest trails, and muddy tracks with confidence. Braking performance is solid, with a 256mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, both equipped with optional ABS. The ABS can be switched off at the rear, giving off-road riders more control during aggressive braking on loose surfaces. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoke wheels, wrapped in dual-sport tires, strike a great balance between on-road stability and off-road grip. This tire setup ensures the bike remains composed during highway speeds while still offering ample traction on gravel and dirt. A key feature that stands out on the 2025 CRF300L is its improved ergonomics. The seat height is accessible at around 34.7 inches, giving it a good balance between ground reach for shorter riders and off-road clearance. The slim body design and lightweight frame contribute to easy handling, especially when navigating tight trails or city traffic. The handlebar position and footpeg placement provide a natural upright riding posture, which reduces fatigue on longer rides. The digital instrument cluster has also received an upgrade, now offering a clearer display with more visibility under direct sunlight. It features a speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, gear position indicator, and trip meters, all easy to read at a glance. There's also a slight redesign in the body panels and graphics, giving the CRF300L a more modern and aggressive look that matches its off-road DNA. Fuel efficiency continues to be a strong point for this motorcycle, with real-world mileage often exceeding 70 miles per gallon depending on riding style and conditions. This, combined with a fuel tank capacity of 2.1 gallons, makes the CRF300L a reliable machine for longer journeys or remote adventures where fuel stops are limited. From a practical standpoint, the CRF300L comes with essential mounting points for luggage racks and panniers, making it easy to gear up for multi-day rides. It's also relatively easy to maintain, with accessible service points and Honda's reputation for long-term reliability. Whether you're using it for daily commuting, weekend trail runs, or even international adventure travel, the CRF300L holds up as one of the most balanced and cost-effective dual-sport motorcycles in its class. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda CRF300L remains a top choice for riders looking for a do-it-all machine. Its lightweight build, solid suspension, capable engine, and thoughtful design improvements make it a strong contender in the dual-sport category. It offers an ideal mix of fun, practicality, and rugged performance without overwhelming new riders or boring the veterans. If you found this review helpful and want more updates, detailed reviews, and riding content on the latest motorbikes and off-road machines, don't forget to subscribe to All Motors brand for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and ride safe.